Okay, let's solve this system of equations and then we'll take a look at our answer and see if we can determine the type of system it is. Looking at the two equations we have here, it looks like substitution is probably the easiest method since this equation over here already has a single y. So let's solve this one for y. We'll subtract 2x from both sides and we'll get y equals 9 minus 2x. So now we know that 9 minus 2x is the same thing as y, so we'll put that in for y in our other equation here, and we get 10x minus 3 times 9 minus 2x equals 3. Be a little more consistent there. There we go. Then we need to distribute our negative 3. So we'll get 10x minus 27 plus 6x equals 3. Combine our like terms and move the 27 to the other side. Gives us 16x equals 30. And divide both sides by 16. We get x equals 30/16, which would be 15/8 or 1 7/8. So then we can take that information, plug it back in for x in the other equation, and we'll get 2 times 1 7/8 plus y equals 9. So we get 2 14/8 or 3 6/8, which would be 3/4 plus y equals 9, and 9 minus 3 3/4 would be give us y equals 5 1/4. So since we get two solutions, or get one solution, one single pair of solutions here, y equals 5 1/4 and x equals 1 7/8, we can see that this system of equations is consistent, meaning that it has a single solution. The other way to identify what type of a system this is to put both equations into y equals mx plus b form and then look at the slopes. So if this first one, if we move the 3x to the other side, we get, in fact I should do it the same color, actually I'll just do it on green, sorry. Negative 2y equals negative 3x plus 4. Divide everything by negative 2, we get y equals 3/2 x plus 2. And then for this one, move the 9x to the other side, we get negative 6y equals negative 9x plus 1. Divide everything by negative 6, and we get y equals 3/2 x and minus 1/6. So you can see here that our two equations both have a slope of m, of 3.5, so their m is the same. Their m is the same, but their y-intercept, b, is different. So if we were to just sort of really quickly visualize these on a graph, one of them would be going through 2, and it would go up 3/2, so it would look a little like this, something like that. And the other one would be going through at negative 1/6 at exactly the same slope, so it would look a little like that. And we can see that since they never intersect, there aren't any solutions that work for both of them. That is another example of an inconsistent system.